So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal relationship reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of May 2026. Keep in mind these are general readings, they might or might not resonate, even if it is resonating 100% with you. Doesn't mean it's your personal reading, just take the guidance as take the messages as the guidance only and do whatever you feel is right for you, not what I am telling you is right for you. Whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on my readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Let's see your current energies regarding your love and relationship area, Libra. What we have, your current energies regarding love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. So we have the Sun card, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Chariot. Bottom of the deck is the King of Wands. Okay, you guys are screaming energetically. I am ready. I am open. I'm ready to move forward. I'm ready to take the risk. I am quite happy now. I'm quite sorted now. Universe, bring it on, right? So you guys are quite clear, quite happy, quite sorted, quite healed, and now you guys are all into this energy of okay, whenever universe is going to bring me something really meaningful, whenever universe is going to bring me something that I want, I am going to move forward and grab it. I'm not going to think about it a lot. I'm not going to mess this up this time. I'm not going to create any kind of stupid energies this time. Okay, so you guys are ready to open up, ready to move forward. You are just waiting for the right energy, the right person to enter in your space, and bingo, you are ready to just dive in and jump into this situation as quickly as you can, because you're like, okay, universe, I'm ready, bring it on. Okay, very open, very healed, very positive energy, and very aligned to, like, okay, it's just the you guys waiting for the wheel to turn in your favor, and everything is sorted. Awesome. Let's see your energies for a new person, newborn, new connection, Libra. So we have the Six of Cups and the Hanged Man and the Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Emperor. Okay, the thing here is that you guys are still missing a past person, past energy, and or something specific that you had experienced in the past also. You guys are just kind of stuck on something or someone from your past, and you guys are trying to detach and heal. You are still in the healing mode, but you are giving me the sense of okay, even if I'm in the healing mode, I am ready to open up to new people, new situations, new connections. And not about the it's not about the past person or past energy, it's about the kind of person or kind of energy that you want in your life is almost similar to something from a past situation, right? So that is kind of keeping you stuck, and that is why right now you're not able to connect with anybody, because you might be comparing everyone and everything to a past situation that might have happened 6 years ago, who knows. And you are feeling like getting a past person back in your life, if not a specific kind of past person or past situation. Sorry. Bottom of the deck is the Emperor. It's like you guys have made your mind. Okay, you guys are a little bit in the on the stubborn side, like okay, I want what I want, and I am not going to settle for anything less than what I want and what I deserve. And what you want or what you deserve right now is something related to your past, either someone specific or something exactly like the past person, past situation that you had experienced long time ago in your life. Okay, so that's why you're not able to connect with the new energy even if you want to. Just give me 1 second, honey. Okay, let's see from the romance angels your the message for this new person, new bond, new connection. We have the getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So you had a person, you had an energy at some point of time in your life where both of you were so aligned with each other, so much in love with each other, and you guys knew each other really very, very well. That is why you are not able to move forward, because you want that person or a specific kind of person that you had at some point of time. Okay. So, but for a new person, new energy, I think if you are going to try and you guys are going to get to know each other properly, revealing your innermost selves to each other slowly but surely, things can work out with the totally new person also. Maybe not exactly the way you wanted, but slightly different. You have to be a little flexible here. Let's see what are your energies for a past person, past situation that you might be still interested or stuck on. Let's see. We have the Knight of Wands, the High Priestess, the Eight of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. There is still love here. There is still love, there is still respect, there is still compassionate kind of energy towards a past person, past situation, mostly from your side, because I'm doing your reading, but you still care, you still have feelings, you still have compassionate kind of energies, a soft corner regarding a past person, past situation. When it comes to this person, they're walking away. They are done with this on and off, in and out, and just for fun kind of energy. Maybe you guys were together like friends with benefits. If not, one of you was having some kind of player energy, or one of you was highly immature and they were not able to stabilize the connection, even if there was the potential. So one of you left the situation or ghosted the other person here, and now it's the situation that you guys are walking away from each other, not coming together. So it's like for the past person, past energy, there is silence. There is this energy of walking away and rejecting the idea of coming back together. Just give me a second. Let's see the message for this past person, past situation. Libra. Separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Yes. So this situation is kind of done. This situation is kind of over. Maybe not permanently, but for the time being, it is not coming back together. There is no coming back together happening, or somebody from your past coming back to you. Okay. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this month, Libra. We have the Ace of Wands and the Emperor and the Three of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. You guys have to clean the mess that you guys are still living in, or the hope or the stubbornness that my person should make me feel like this. They should look like this. They should be exactly the way I want them. No flexibility or anything. You guys have to get out of this mess, get out of this stubbornness. Okay. And then you have to listen to your intuition. Your intuition is going to guide you to the right people, the right places, the right things. And again, you have to be flexible enough to connect with right people, right energies, because sometimes the soulmate that is meant for us is actually totally different from how we want it, and how we want to look them, how we want them to look, how we want them to behave, how we want them to love us. Okay. So once you are going to work on this flexibility of yours, like stubbornness of yours, that I want what I want and I want it exactly the way I want it, I think, and consciously choose to keep moving forward and maybe connecting with more people, getting out of your comfort zone, then there are good chances you guys are going to have somebody by your side within the next 3 weeks to 3 months. But you guys have to leave the stubbornness, and you guys have to definitely be flexible and open to the idea of connecting with the person that might not be exactly the way you want it, but something different. Not maybe totally different, like let's say you want a certain kind of authenticity in a person, but it's totally different from how you want it and what you want it. So then it's a different thing, like your non-negotiables, like loyalty, honesty, and truthfulness, that should not be ignored. Otherwise, you have to be a little bit flexible and open-minded. to connect with the right kind of energy. You might be blocking the right person or the right energy to enter in your space. Let's see the final message for you guys for this reading to close this off. We have the love yourself first. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. So work on your self concept and your self respect also. Uh, I don't think so. You have lack of self love. It's like you have enough self love and enough self respect, but it's just about the rigidity that I'm seeing here that is stopping you from moving forward and connecting with the right kind of energy. That's the deal that's stopping you. Okay. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.